Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to remove parental controls in Fortnite. To start, in Fortnite, click on the profile and then click on the gear icon. Now click on the gear icon and select Parental Controls. Click OK. If you do not have parental controls configured, you must click on Set up Parental Controls. Click Next to assign the 6-digit PIN. When you click Next, you must click Save to save the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now to remove the parental controls in Fortnite, click on the profile and then click on the gear icon. After this, click on Parental Controls. You must enter the PIN assigned to the parental control. Now you will simply click on Disable. Click Confirm to remove Fortnite parental controls. Click Exit. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.